Right. Question 9 says 7mp squared plus 14m squared p. Let's look at that quickly. So 7mp squared, look closely now. It's the same thing before. So we're applying the exponent rule, right? And we realize that when we expand out this question, we are now left with 7, right? M times p, because p times p is the same thing as p squared, plus 14 times m, because m times m is m squared, times p, right? But now we realize that not only those letters can be factorized to be simplified, the numbers themselves, because 7 times 2 is the same thing as 14. So we can say, well, 7 times m times p, which comes back from the previous step, can simplify the 14 to say 2 times 7. So now you say 2 times 7 is the same thing as 14 m p. So you factorize down to the fundamental thing that is shared between both two questions or both two terms. In this case now, you not only factorize the MP because they're shared, you factorize out a 7 as well because that is shared between the 7mp squared and the 14m squared p. When you factorize out now that 7mp squared, you essentially take out every time that it's repeated once. So look, we take out that 7mp out of the 7mp squared, right? So we take out a 7, so we're left with mp squared, and we take out a m, so we're left with p squared. Then we take out a p, so we're left with p. Plus, we take out now a 7mp from this 14m squared p, right? We take out the 7, we're left with 2. 7 to 14 goes 2 times, so we're left with 2. We take out now a m from this m squared, we're left with m. We take out a p from this p, we're just left with nothing. So the answer is 7mp bracket p plus 2m. Right, let's move on to the final question.